Hello everyone. Welcome to this first tutorial to prepare for Wikipedia Lab 1. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to create a Wikipedia login. To start, you're going to need to go to Wikipedia's homepage, https://www.wikipedia.org. When you get to the page, you're going to want to click on the link marked English, which will take you to the homepage for English Wikipedia. On the menu at the top of the screen, click on the link marked Create Account. To create an account, you will need to create a username, a password, confirm that password, and provide an email account. You can use your school email address if you want. Lastly, there is a test to make sure you aren't a robot, so answer the provided question and click on the Create Your Account button. You should now be logged into your account. Make sure you record your username and password because you're going to need it later. If you need to log into your account again, you go to the English homepage of Wikipedia and click on the link marked Login in that same top-level menu. Thanks for watching.